What a magical Christmas morning! I can't wait to explore in the snow. Let's see what we have today.
Here we go, into the beautiful snowy forest.
What a beautiful tree that is. Here it is! That's it!
Hurry up, hurry up!
Hee-hee, pikwak, T, then a G, nunsinki apida,
Hello, hi there. Remember, come to my farm tonight. I have a really big Christmas tree, sparkling Christmas lights, and delicious hot cocoa. Everyone, please come. We'll celebrate Christmas.
Oh, that's great! Tonight, I'll be right there.
Thanks. I'll come to your farm tonight. Haha, that sounds so warm. Okay, I'll come tonight.
Yes. I'll come. See you tonight.
Really? That sounds great. I'll be there tonight. I can't wait to make the best Christmas cookies. This will be so much fun. These cookies are going to be perfect. I can't wait to share them. Hello, everyone.
Welcome to my farm on this wonderful Christmas night.
This Christmas is so warm.
Help! The house is on fire. I have to get away. Now!
Silvi! Najichekta! Ang BB Chai!
Happy holidays, everyone. We have to go. Now!
I have to get this water back no matter what. I won't let the fire win. We have to save it. Keep going.
Before it's too late.
Late!
I'm so scared and all alone. Everything feels lost tonight.
It's okay, I'm here.
My house, everything burnt down.
Houses can be rebuilt, but you still have us.
Really?
Yes. This Christmas, you won't be alone.
All right, time to get to work.
Just a little more to fix it perfectly. Perfect! Exactly how I wanted. I'm just too tired. Maybe a quick nap.
Finally, it's finished!
Thank you. Without you, I don't know what I would have done.
Houses can be rebuilt, but friends can't be lost. Christmas is for being together.